Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Asian stock markets are mostly higher on Friday, despite the mixed cues overnight from Wall Street and lower commodity prices. However, gains are muted as investors traded cautiously following the release of weak economic data from Japan and as the Chinese market opened lower. The Australian market is up with the modest gains despite the mixed cues overnight from Wall Street and lower commodity prices. Bank stocks are leading the gainers. In late morning trades, the benchmark S&P ASX 200 index is adding 0.45%. The benchmark Nikkei 225 index is adding 21.31 points or 0.10%. On the economic front, the Reserve Bank of Australia said that the private sector credit in Australia was up 5.9% on a year in June, below estimates for 6.0% and down from 6.2% in May. On a monthly basis, private sector credit added 0.4%, also below expectations for 0.5%, which would have been unchanged. Australia will also release second quarter figures for producer prices later in the day. In the currency market, the Australian dollar fell overnight to another 6-year low after the US dollar rallied on US economic data. In early trades Friday, the local unit was trading at 0.7291 US dollars, down from Thursday's close of 0.7301 US dollars. Today's data calendar has plenty of scheduled releases of medium importance. US Employment Cost Index 12:30 GMT. The index showed an increase of 2.6% from year-ago levels in the first quarter, posting a quarterly increase of 0.7%. Similar numbers are expected from the second quarter. The current growth rate is fastest since 2008. The graph suggests a lift-off and employment costs has started. At least the break-even inflation prices are not worried. The 10-year rate peaked on May 1st at 1.94% and is currently at 1.77%. But that is mostly due to low energy prices. There are enough reasons for the Fed to begin the rate hikes soon. It was the latest market news read by Aiko FX. Goodbye.